Hello Internet, in this video I will do a one-year review of SpreadRock by Daich. SpreadRock is the product I use to cover my ugly concrete. I did it about a year ago, last October, and it's been my #1 video. You can see the link here above the original video. And I've had a lot of inquiries asking about it, how it's holding up after 1 year. And so this video is all about that. And by the end of the video, I will let you know what I think 1 year later. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a daily driver or a project car or a project around the home or the yard or the patio, a pallet project, Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Everything is do-it-yourself. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I've cleared most of the stuff off the deck. And so this is what it looks like. I really have done nothing in 1 year. So you can see that there are some stains and stuff. There's bird poop. We had armyworms, like thousands of armyworms, and they were crawling across the deck, and we had a bunch of Texas birds going after them and pooping all over the place. So that's one of the things that I'll have to clean up here. So even on the main patio here, you can see where a rug was there, and so we'll see how she cleans up. Overall, I mean, it's an outside deck. I'm pleased as it is, but I just want to show you in this video that it does clean up pretty well. At least that's my hope. Just walk around more here. So bird feeders here, and I've cleaned this off a few times where bird poop has been there. But again, you can see it here. There also is a little bit of rust. Some of the chairs I have, the legs were rusting, and I just kind of really made me mad that I saw a little bit of rust, but we'll see if we can clean that up too. I have my doubts about that, but if you had just pure granite or whatever, and if you got rust on it, that's hard to clean up. But overall, the deck has weathered well in the last year. So this is before. And I'm going to sweep it out first. Then I just have some soap and water and a brush, and I'll be hitting the places that have some stains, and we'll see how well it comes out. Okay, the water is still drying a little bit. You can see where I have the bucket right there. But for the most part, it's dry, and it cleaned up really well. I'm just really impressed. I just had a little brush. One side was nylon. There was one side that was metal. And the bird poop was the hardest thing to clean off, but you can see that it cleaned up really well. Even the rust spots came out. So that tells me that the sealer works real well. Actually, as I look at this now, you can still see a little bit of a rust spot right there, but it's not bad. And you can see again that after 1 year's use, it still looks really good. It's very durable, and I just can't say enough about how much I like the SpreadRock by Daich. So looking forward to putting the patio furniture back on, perhaps a little bit of a rearrangement here. But 1 year review, so my observation after 1 year is I still love it. And if you like this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And as always, have a great day.